was up early this morning, thought it felt fabulous, but I know all those kids are ready to jump in the pool. That's not going to make that water any warmer.
It's sure not. The lake actually cooled off a lot out there today, and it's going to be even colder tonight. Did you check out the full moon last night by chance?
I missed that last night.
We had a big full moon, and let's take a picture of that full moon right now from, well, we're not going to take the picture. We're going to look at a picture from Emily Heap in Bamberg. If you see that little dot next to the moon, that is actually the Antares star. It's actually several million times as large as our sun, yet it's so far away that it looks like merely a dot next to the moon. Thank you, Emily Heap of Bamberg, for sharing that photo with us. If you have any weather photos or astronomy photos, I suppose you'd like to share, we're on Facebook, Twitter, and of course email. Here's your rain report for today. We got all that rain yesterday and the day before, so we now have a surplus on the year. That's nice to be able to say again. Climate report for today, the high was 75, the low 50. Both of those numbers rather cool for this time of the year, and it's going to get cooler before it gets warmer. Here's your drive time forecast for 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Sunshine early. It will be cool for May, only 55 degrees at 9 o'clock in the morning. Low temperatures tonight all the way down to 44 in Thompson, 41 for Washington, 46 your low tonight in Sylvania. High temperatures tomorrow will be in the mid to upper 70s, 20% chance of a late day shower. And here's your boating and fishing forecast. It will be a cool day up there at Lake Thurman. High temperature 76 degrees, water temperature now 74. Paige.
Thanks.